2023 WJB Research Report of Gamma.io. First, let's take a look at the table of contents of this research report, which are 1. Key points, 2. Basic information of the project, 3. Business analysis, 4. Preliminary value assessment, 5. References. Next, we will analysis the research report in detail. 1. Key points. 1.1 Core logic of investment. Gamma.io is targeted with the trading of non-standard BTC NFT assets. Buyers and sellers are distributed owing to low liquidity, which will limit the convention of liquidity. Thus, for Gamma.io, an emerging platform with most of BTC NFTs, it's important to launch a head brand. It's the only way to protect its liquidity from being stolen by competitors. And more liquidity will be converged to Gamma.io when it becomes stronger. At present, the specific data of Gamma.io's market size has not been disclosed. Since the Gamma.io platform is an emerging BTC NFT platform with a relatively small number of users and transaction volume, its market size may be small compared to some other established NFT platforms. The competitive landscape is far from settled. With the development of the industry, strong competitors will gradually emerge, which will have a big impact on Gamma.io's position. In addition, because the BTC NFT market has higher uncertainty and volatility than the ETH NFT market, the market size of the Gamma.io platform may be affected by many factors, such as market demand, market supply, industry development trends. However, as the BTC NFT market continues to mature and develop, the Gamma.io platform is expected to gradually expand its market size and influence in the future. In the writer's opinion, it's advisable for Gamma.io to grab the market and make a growth by launching differentiated services. 1.2 Main risks. Operational risk. As an emerging trading platform in BTC NFT sector, Gamma.io won't keep its long-term growth if it can't retain existing users and attract new users. The main operational risks Gamma.io faces are how to compete with existing NFT trading platforms and how to meet the needs of users. Technical risk. NFT trading and storage involves many technical problems. For example, the Ordinals protocol may have had a security breach that led to the loss or theft of assets. The Ethereum network has a history of such incidents, so the Gamma.io platform needs to continually enhance technical security. Market risk. BTC NFT market supply and demand relationship and investors on the cognizance of its value may also be affected by various factors, such as the emergence of the policy environment, market sentiment, competitive project, etc., so as to bring the market risk. 1.3 Valuation. According to OpenSea's 46.4% share in the NFT market, it can be estimated that the market value of Gamma.io in the BTC NFT market is about $171 million. The calculation process is detailed in the analysis in section 4.2 of the article. 2. Project overview. 2.1 Business scope. Gamma.io is an NFT exchange based on Stack. $STX. Stack is a sidechain of Bitcoin. After the release of Ordinals, it also provides some basic functions of Ordinals, including creating inscriptions, browsing collections, and applying for collection pages. The main business scope of Gamma.io is Ordinal trading. Gamma.io provides a brand new digital asset trading method, that is, Ordinal digital asset trading. Gamma.io can digitize physical assets and equity as unique and indivisible digital assets and enable these assets to be traded on the blockchain. 2.2 The development of Gamma.io and its roadmap. November 27, 2021, the Gamma.io project was established. April 27, 2022, the Gamma.io project was launched on the market. April 28, 2022, Gamma commissioned a dozen creators to create a series of original artworks on Stacks and Bitcoin. The series is titled Together with Gamma. June 7, 2022, the artist behind the project NFT series released. February 10, 2023, Gamma.io announced the launch of a Bitcoin NFT creation tool without code. In 2023, Gamma.io is the main sponsor of the First Ordinals Conference and the First Ordinals Art Museum in Bitcoin 2022 Miami. May 4, 2023, raised $8.1 million investment. 2.3 The team. 2.3.1 About the team. According to LinkedIn, Pendle has 6 core members' expertise in operation, BD, technology development, and more. 2.3.2 Founder. Jamil Dhanani is the founder of Gamma.io. He graduated from Stanford University with a major in computer science. He wrote several iOS applications when at school. Before founding Gamma.io, he worked as a software engineer at Intel in 2014, and then worked as a senior engineer at Apple from 2016 to 2021 to develop future machine learning functions. In 2021, he devoted himself full-time to founding Gamma.io. 2.3.3 Core members. Nick Zainato, co-founder of Gamma.io, graduated from Seton Hall University in Management and Marketing. While in school, he also served as the sales manager of Waverly TV Company. After graduation, from 2011 to 2019, he worked as a digital content producer and guest services supervisor at an entertainment company STRYXE, and from 2019 to 2021, as a marketing manager of a software company. Carol Levy, Gamma.io's management and support specialist, a graduate of art communication. He has many years of experience in customer management and art exhibition management. 2.4 Investment. On May 4, 2023, Gamma.io announced that they received investments of $8.1 million, but the leader investor is not disclosed. 3 Business Analysis. 3.1 Target Audience. Gamma.io is an easy-to-use and safe NFT trading platform that provides opportunities for all the people who wish to buy, sell, invest in, and collect digital artworks. Specifically, the target audience of Gamma.io platform include 1. Experts and creators in the sector of digital artworks. They can transfer their works into NFT and sell them on Gamma.io platform. 2. Artwork collectors. They can collect digital artworks on Gamma.io platform, including artworks, game assets, sports collections, music loyalty, and various NFTs. 3. Investors. They can invest in and trade NFTs on Gamma.io platform and make a profit. For a digital asset trader, they can trade digital assets on Gamma.io platform and make a revenue on market fluctuates. All in all, the service objects of Gamma.io platform are people who want to trade, collect, and invest in the digital asset sector, whether experts or normal users. 3.2 Service type. Gamma platform offers 3 core products and options for minting, selling, buying, and auctioning NFT tokens. It consists of 3 core platforms. 1. A no-code creator launchpad that allows creators to create NFT collections and digital artifacts in minutes. 2. An open marketplace for exploring and collecting NFTs, and an API infrastructure that powers an ecosystem of dozens of dApps and wallets in programmable Bitcoin. The platform also facilitates the transfer of NFTs via blockchain name service domains, BNS, rather than long addresses consisted of characters and numbers, which can be traded on the BNS marketplace. 3. A social platform that brings creators and collectors together in a Web3 native way. In addition, Gamma.io supports both primary and secondary markets for Bitcoin NFTs. 3.3 Service description. 1. Mint. Gamma.io make the ordinal inscription process on the Bitcoin network very simple. In February 2023, Gamma.io released a no-code creator platform for Bitcoin native NFT ordinals. Ordinals are made possible through the Bitcoin Taproot upgrade, allowing users to inscribe anything on their personal Satoshi to create unique artifacts. These artifacts can be stored in Bitcoin wallets and transferred using Bitcoin transactions. The process of creating these inscriptions is often complex and technical, but Gamma.io removes the complexity with its creator platform. Creator Launchpad allows anyone to create NFTs from scratch in minutes, without any coding knowledge or skills. You simply define and describe your NFT, and optionally upload a file, CSV format file, containing the NFT's custom metadata. Therefore, data must be entered or logged into a file in the correct format for easy reading. Metadata, while optional, can help differentiate your NFTs, improve their accessibility, determine rarity, allow filtering and sorting, and add descriptions that are not accessible on images, such as sounds. You can choose to either create NFT based on Stack Chain or mint NFT based on the Ordinals protocol. 2 personal NFTs and/or collections. Gamma supports 3 types of collections, each of which must be approved before going live. The marketplace charges a 10% fee on the first sale using a no-code tool, and a 2% fee on secondary sales on the marketplace. Creators and artists can create different kinds of NFT collections, including continuous, public mint, and editions. Series type allows for adding more NFTs, like the same themes, concepts, and techniques, to the collection later. Each NFT needs to be listed individually in order to be sold on the marketplace. For this type, the NFT is minted directly to the creator's address, and collectors view the NFT before it is listed for sale, and first request and approve the auction. Public mint is a traditional collectible type that involves creators creating all NFTs at once. Buyers will mint from the public page without seeing what NFT they will receive. The set size cannot be increased after deployment, but can be permanently reduced, and when buyers receive the NFT in their wallet or after revealing media is revealed to be initiated by the creator. The third type of collection, versions, is mainly used for items such as event tickets, proof of attendance NFT, software licenses, and platform access rights. Like the public mint, the mint stage also allows creators to use the mint token or airdrop feature. The media of all NFTs in an editions collection is the same, and the size of the collection cannot be increased after deployment. 3. Marketplace. A. Local Bitcoin payments. Gamma.io allows users to trade ordinals using Bitcoin as the primary payment method. Users can trade, buy, and sell native Bitcoin NFTs using native Bitcoin exchanges. Through a partnership with lnswap.org, Gamma began supporting the minting and secondary sale of Stacks NFTs using Bitcoin via the Bitcoin Lightning Network as the native currency on the blockchain. B. Stacks token. STX Stacks has a native token that is used as a gas token for smart contract interactions. It is also spent at minting and used as payment for secondary transactions in smart contracts. C. Bitcoin naming system domain names. Gamma.io marketplace for NFTs allows users to send, receive, buy, and sell BNS names. A BNS name is a .btc URL name associated with an alphanumeric wallet address that can be used when sending/receiving NFTs/crypto, or for identity as a profile, collection website/page, or as the homepage on the internet, promotional purposes on social media, instead of the long and hard-to-remember alphanumeric wallet address. A custom BNS name can be registered on the BTC.US at the cost of 2 STX for 5 years, after which it is to expire and needs to be renewed. Users can also buy them from the Gamma Marketplace by searching the BNS names collection on the Marketplace search bar and filtering through the categories to arrive at the name they need to buy. They can also send a BNS name to a different wallet address after buying it. Users can also sell BNS names associated with their wallet addresses by listing them on the marketplace. Only one BNS name is associated with one wallet address at a time. The NFT must be held on a smart contract while listed for sale. For auctions. Gamma.io launched with Buy It Now NFTs or fixed sale NFTs. However, the platform later introduced an auction feature allowing people to auction and bid on NFTs. This is helpful for those sellers who do not know the exact value of their NFTs and those buyers that want to bid on rare NFTs. Related features that are planned for launch in the NFT marketplace include private sales and a bundle of items. Social platform. The social platform brings together creators, artists, and investors in NFTs. The platform does not require users to set up accounts or profiles. They can, instead, follow each other and engage using Web3 identities. For instance, they can follow each other based on their public blockchain data, whether they have used Gamma or not. Gamma regularly organizes industry or artist gatherings, aiming to promote exchanges and communication among people in the industry, deepen inter-industry connections, and provide platform users with a wider range of opportunities and resources. 3.4 Industry space and potential. 3.4.1 Overall market size. The NFT market is projected to reach a trading volume of $22.69 billion by the end of 2023, marking a 39% decrease compared to 2022, as reported in the latest Balthazar NFT Marketplace update. The comprehensive analysis covers 10 major NFT marketplaces. In March 2023, the combined trade volume across the 10 marketplaces studied reached $2.04 billion, representing a 9.8% decrease compared to February 2023, $2.26 billion. The total trade volume for the first quarter of 2023, January-March, amounted to $5.67 billion, 84.2% higher than the previous quarter, $3.08 billion. Notably, the market has returned to July 2022 levels for the past 2 months, following a continuous decline from its peak in Q1 2022. March 2023 saw a 38% decrease in trade volume compared to March 2022 across the 10 marketplaces. The figures include $1.34 billion in transactions recorded in March 2023 when Blur launches in October 2022, and no transaction record in March 2022. Only 2 markets recorded growth in March 2023 compared to March 2022. X2Y2 grew 2,647.7% to $180.19 million in March, compared to $6.56 million in March 2022. While JPG Store recorded a growth period of 721.4%. User numbers. In March 2023, the total number of users recorded across the 10 marketplaces was 1.46 million, a 7.4% decrease compared to February 2023. Interestingly, half of the markets experienced a surge in user numbers, while half of the markets saw a decline in user numbers. However, Q1 2023 saw a 6.5% increase in users compared to Q4 2022, with 4.68 million users in Q1 2023 and 4.40 million users in Q4 2022. 3.4.2 Market segmentation. Gamma.io segmented track is a Bitcoin NFT comprehensive trading platform. Since the recent protocol started gaining widespread adoption, ordinal inscriptions, or NFTs, minted on the Bitcoin blockchain have increased significantly since early February. More and more inscriptions show the potential of Bitcoin NFT. As of May, 9,169,281 inscriptions were completed in a single day. As shown in the figure, as of May 2023, the total cost of minting NFT on Bitcoin has exceeded $8.57 million, and since April, the average daily price is about $150,000. Bitcoin Taproot usage has also grown by leaps and bounds since January 2023. While the first ordinal was created on December 14, 2022, it did not become popular until February 2023. To date, approximately 350,000 ordinals have been created on the Bitcoin chain. Images were initially the most popular type, but text has since become more popular. Images and text together account for 99.4% of ordinals minted so far, of which images account for 62.8% and text 36.6%. Yuga Labs also recently completed an auction of 12Fold, which brought in a total of 735 BTC, approximately $16.5 million. 12Fold is a series of 300 artworks generated on the Bitcoin blockchain. The highest bidder paid 7.12 BTC, $160,000. 3.5 Business data. As of the day of writing this article, no email reply from the project regarding business data has been received. 3.6 Competition landscape. First, it is based on the Bitcoin blockchain, while most are based on the Ethereum blockchain and others, Cardano, Polygon, Solana, etc. The marketplace features thousands of Bitcoin NFT collectibles, NFT artists, and NFT traders, just like the top NFT marketplaces. It stands out as a Bitcoin NFT marketplace. The thing for this comparison is that it is not a free minted NFT marketplace in terms of fees charged, unlike some NFT marketplaces like Mintable. Most NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, Crypto.com, Sorare, Rarible, Crypto.com, Binance charge between 0% and less than 3%. Gamma.io charges a 2% fee on secondary sales. When a creator uses a no-code tool, Gamma.io takes a 10% commission on the first sale to use the tool. SuperRare, Nifty Gateway, and Foundation are 15% more expensive. Like most other NFT marketplaces, it does not support credit cards or online fiat payment methods. It works with STX, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies. It also allows users to sell their NFTs on other NFT marketplaces on other blockchains. Like OpenSea, it supports most NFT types and stands out in supporting Bitcoin's naming system. 3.6.1 Introduction of competing products. OpenSea. OpenSea is an online market that supports Ethereum NFT transactions, providing a breakthrough trading platform for digital artworks, helping creators communicate with collectors and enthusiasts. OpenSea is characterized by its landing on the Ethereum blockchain, so it can provide richer and more complex smart contracts and metadata functions, and also has a broader and more diverse user base. OrdinalsBot. OrdinalsBot is a robot for fast NFT serial casting and sales, which aims to simplify the NFT casting and sales process and provide digital artists, designers, and other creators with more convenient casting and sales services. OrdinalsBot is characterized by its ability to quickly perform sequential casting, and it provides a variety of built-in templates and design elements, providing creators with attractive and high-quality NFT casting solutions. 3.6.2 Competitive analysis. Trading experience. The process of purchasing Bitcoin NFT is similar to the experience of purchasing Ethereum NFT on OpenSea. But there are still some unsolvable problems. A. Bitcoin does not have a smart contract, and each NFT series is not identified through a contract, and must be manually included by each NFT market. At present, the Bitcoin NFT with the highest trading volume and attention can be traded in the mainstream market, but since there is no aggregator, it is still necessary to choose a market with higher liquidity. B. If you have been using the built-in wallet market before and need to switch to the external wallet market such as Gamma/Magic Eden for transactions, you also need to import the built-in wallet to the external wallet, or transfer the built-in wallet NFT to the external wallet. That is to say, compared with the OpenSea of the mature ETH market, there are still some barriers between the Bitcoin NFT trading market, and it will be more convenient to start using external wallets such as Sphere/Hero/Unisat. In general, these three projects has different characteristics and target users. For example, Gamma.io focuses on providing a more secure and autonomous environment for publishing and trading digital artworks. OpenSea provides a more complex and diversified NFT trading platform for a wider range of Ethereum users and NFT collectors, and Ordinal's bot is provide digital creators with easier and faster minting and selling NFT services. 3.7 Token Model Analysis. The project said that it has no plan to issue tokens for now, and their transactions mainly rely on two cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Stack Coins. 3.8 Risk Analysis. As an NFT market, Gamma.io also faces some risks. 1. NFT Value Bubble. Gamma.io business scope is too small, all of its services are around NFT. While the penetration rate of NFT market is difficult to improve. NFT is far away from being widespread accepted for now, which leads to a limited user number and liquidity. The transaction amounts and volume of NFTs could be relatively low. B. Compliance issues of NFT market. There is no established regulation for digital assets, which may bring risks to Gamma.io platform. C. No mature evaluation system for NFT. The price of NFT is often determined by market demand and emotional expectations. Thus, the price of NFT is always fluctuant and makes it difficult for traders and investors to make reasonable evaluation and risk controls. 2. The competitive landscape of BTC NFT market has not yet formed. With the rapid development and increasing popularity of the NFT market, BTC NFT trading platforms have gradually entered the market. However, the entire market is still in its early stages, and the competitive landscape has not yet been fully determined. At present, some platforms, such as Gamma.io, have developed functions to support BTC NFT transactions. Although these platforms have taken the lead in this market, they will face strong competition from other platforms in the future, such as Binance and OpenSea will soon announce support for the BTC NFT market. When a competitor enters the market, it will have a huge impact on Gamma.io's market share. At this time, Gamma.io needs to adjust its strategy to maintain its competitive advantage and enhance its brand influence and market recognition. For example, adding new NFT trading varieties, optimizing the user experience of the platform, improving security and privacy, and making improvements to attract more traders and investors. For preliminary valuation. 4.1 Core Issues. What operating cycle is the project in? Is it a mature stage or an early and middle stage? Gamma.io is an emerging NFT platform, which is in the early and middle stages of development. The BTC NFT market has shown rapid growth in recent months, but it is still in the early stages of development. The use cases in various fields are also expanding, and corresponding NFT platforms are also emerging. The predecessor of the Gamma.io platform is the STX NFT platform, which was launched in 2021. Although the $STX infrastructure is relatively mature, as a new NFT platform, its user base and trading volume are relatively small compared with newer users and trading platforms. At the same time, to enhance its market competitiveness and influence, the Gamma.io platform needs continuous innovation and improvement in the competition with other platforms. Therefore, the Gamma.io platform is in the early and mid-stage of NFT market development, and needs to consolidate its market position and brand influence by continuously expanding user scale, expanding use cases, and improving service quality. Does the project have solid competitive advantages? Where does the competitive advantages come from? Gamma.io has a first-mover advantage because it was one of the first to enter the BTC NFT market and became one of the leading BTC NFT minting platforms, further consolidating their industry-leading position by accumulating resources and attracting active users in advance. This gives them greater advantages and a stable market position in the subsequent homogeneous competition. On the other hand, the Gamma.io market currently supports more smart contracts than any other dApp on the Bitcoin network. At present, the Gamma.io platform is relatively complete because they have the most popular NFT series on the Stack chain, and also NFTs on Ordinals protocol. Compared with other simplistic products, Gamma.io can be easily accepted by the public for its diversified product line, and it is also conducive to their continuous expansion of the number of users and market share in the NFT market. Is the middle long-term investment logic of the project clear? Is it in line with the trend of the industry? The NFT market has shown huge growth momentum in recent years, and NFT use cases in various fields are also emerging. At the same time, the cryptocurrency market is gradually developing and maturing. Gamma.io's medium and long-term investment logic is clear, and its development direction is in line with the general trend of NFT and cryptocurrency fields. For professionals and creators, the minting process on the Gamma.io platform is relatively simple and the cost is relatively low. If investors or collectors buy it, they can get higher returns. For collectors and investors, they mainly obtain income by leveraging on market fluctuations, and the amount of income depends on the popularity of the market and the value judgment on collectibles. To sum up, Gamma.io's medium and long-term investment logic is in line with the general trend in the field of NFT and cryptocurrency, and has broad development prospects and market potential. Of course, market risks always exist, and investors should make investment decisions based on their own actual conditions. What are the main variables in the operation of the project? Can the factors be quantified and measured? The main variables in Gamma.io's operations include the following. 1. Number of platform users and user activity. The number of platform users and user activity are directly related to the transaction scale and volume of the platform, so they are important factors to measure the effectiveness of platform operations. These data can be quantified and measured relatively easily. 2. Revenue of transaction fee. Transaction fee is one of the main sources of platform profit. The level of transaction fee is related to the transaction volume and fee rate of the platform, which can be quantified. 3. Amount and volume of platform transactions. The amount and volume of platform transactions are important factors to measure the effectiveness of the platform's operations. Especially in competition with other similar platforms, the performance of this indicator is particularly critical and quantifiable. For quantity and quality of NFT projects on the platform. The quantity and quality of NFT projects on the platform are important factors to attract investors and users, which can be measured by the average price of NFT projects, art ratings, historical transaction data, and other factors. In general, the main variables in Gamma.io's operations can be quantified and measured. As long as the platform can collect and process these data and apply them in its strategic planning and decision-making, the operational efficiency and market competitiveness of the platform can be continuously improved. 4.2 Valuation. 1. Comparison between Gamma.io and OpenSea. We all know that Gamma.io's position on the BTC NFT trading platform seems to be the same as OpenSea on the NFT trading platform. We can make some comparisons from the business model. Predicting the market size of DEX from the perspective of business model. It can be said that the business models of OpenSea and Gamma.io both have obvious two-sided market effects. The value of the entire platform is related to the number of buyers and sellers, but OpenSea's dominance on the NFT trading platform is much higher than Gamma.io's BTC NFT dominance in the trading field. This important difference is mainly because OpenSea and Gamma.io trade non-standard NFT assets. Due to poor liquidity, the number of buyers and sellers is scattered, which will limit the convergence of liquidity, which also leads to the difficulty for other competitors to steal OpenSea's liquidity, so the strong effect of the NFT trading platform will be greater, and the bigger OpenSea is, the more liquidity will be attracted. First of all, the NFT trading market in which OpenSea is located is an emerging market with explosive growth. The trend can be seen in the figure above. Although the trading volume will decline and the profit will decrease starting in 2023, the revenue will remain stable, $35.99 million in January, $35.99 million in February, $23.89 million March $10.65 million April $13.32 million. Taking an average, the next average monthly income is $15 million-$25 million, and the annualized income is $180 million-$300 million. At the same time, in a bull market atmosphere of NFT, it can give a higher P/E ratio, for example, 20 to 50 times, then OpenSea's estimated valuation is $3.6 billion to $15 billion. This is a guessed valuation in a bull market atmosphere. If there is a bear market, the NFT trading volume will plummet, and OpenSea's revenue and P/E ratio will be greatly reduced. The position of OpenSea in the NFT trading platform seems to be the position of Gamma.io in the BTC NFT trading platform. We can predict the valuation of Gamma.io in the BTC NFT market through calculating the valuation of OpenSea in the ETH NFT market, and predict its market share in the same way. According to the current NFT scan data, the total transaction volume of Ethereum in the NFT field reached $58.38 billion in the first quarter of this year, accounting for 97.3% of the market share. Among them, the market share of OpenSea is about 46.4%. According to the Galaxy report, the market value of BTC NFT will be about $4.5 billion by 2025. Assuming that 2025 is a bull market, the P/E ratio will be 20 to 50 times. Therefore, the market value of BTC NFT in 2023 is about $500 million. Referring to OpenSea's 46.4% market share in the NFT market, it can be estimated that the market value of Gamma.io in the BTC NFT market is about $171 million. 5 references. The following are the reference materials used in this investment research report. Finally, thank you for your time.